everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and three more sleeps till Christmas, yay! And that means we've only got 3 more days of the Masquerade Advent Calendar to open, yay! So, what are we on today? Day 22 I think we're on, aren't we guys? Yes, and it says Holly Jolly in a nice little burgundy coloured bag. So let's see what we've got today, shall we? What's in bag number 22? Oh, I love. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yum, yum. Isn't that beautiful? Turquoise. But it's kind of, I hope the camera's doing it justice. I'll just hold it still for a minute. And there is stellina in it. It doesn't look like it, but there is. But it's kind of not all one shade, all different shades, dark to light. I am just, so let's see what we had yesterday, the 21st. So yes, so you could see it was going to come on to that. But now guys, what colour are we going to have for number 23? It's going to be a surprise, I think, guys, don't you? So yeah, so I'm really, can't tell you. I've got this baby blanket that I'm hoping to finish, if not today, tomorrow. And I've got a beanie to do, and then I can concentrate on finishing this shawl, the knitted shawl, with 1 to 8, and then I'm going to use the rest of it doing the crochet pattern that we got, because if you remember I got a free pattern. I got knitted and a crochet pattern, so for the rest of from number 9 to 24 I'm going to use that, and then on Christmas Day I'll be back because I'll have the Christmas present to open from the Advent, so that'll be exciting. And I'm really looking forward to that, and I'll show you the progress on the shawl if I get time to get anything done, but we'll see. I am so excited, guys. I really am. Yay! So thank you all so much for watching, every one of them. I do so appreciate it, and I hope you get as excited as I do when I open these little Advent bags. I'll definitely be getting an Advent next year, and I think I'm going to get I'm thinking I might get a sock Advent, which will be quite funny, won't it? So let's see what tomorrow will bring, guys. Anyway, I think that's all from me for today. I just want to wish you all a happy day. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Bye for now. I'll see you all tomorrow.